How to edit the time of a photo on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit the time of a photo on TikTok. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's just head on and open TikTok right here and just click on this plus button at the bottom mid and it should open up the camera page. Once that you're here, just click on this upload option right beside the shutter button, and here you can select the photos you want, the videos you want, or any media you want on your TikTok. So I'm just going to add photos, so just click on the photos tab if you just want to add photos. And if you want to select multiple photos, make sure that you have selected this option right here that says select multiple at the bottom left corner of the screen. So I'm just going to select the photos I want for my TikTok. And once you have selected the photos you want, the next thing that we're going to do is to select one random video. So the duration does not matter, the content does not matter as well, because we will be deleting the video later on. So just click on this videos tab right here so you can easily pick a random video. And once you have selected a random video and once you have selected the photos you want, just click on this next option at the bottom right corner. And after that, let's just click on this adjust clips option right here. And the first thing we're going to do is to select the video that we added, that random video that we added. So just click on that from here, from this timeline that we can see. And just click on this delete icon right here so that it will be removed from our TikTok, since we don't intend it to be included in our TikTok. Just click on delete and click on delete to confirm your decision. Once that is done, you can easily adjust the time of a photo by just dragging these markers right here at like that. If you want to, for example, just select the photo that you want to adjust the time. This is currently playing for 3 seconds, so if I'm gonna want to try it to just 1.5 seconds, you can do like that. Or if you want to lengthen the duration, just click on this icon right here. You can also select 0.5 times and you can lengthen its duration as well, up to 6 seconds and up to 9 seconds. So just click on the check mark button once you have set that all up. And that is how you can basically edit the time of a photo on TikTok. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.